Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my goodness. This is Zara Lite in shaded peach. Now, this is just stunning. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you the inside. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's so great to have you here. Let's get connected. So the first thing we need to do is push the subscribe button. That means follow in this world. So that's how we'll stay connected. I'm not going to be hounding you for subscription renewal or anything like that. So it's just how we get connected. Now, can we just say, oh my goodness, this is so stunning. I love this hair. This is one of my favorite wigs. This is called Zara, and this is their Zara Lite version, which means that the cap is hand tied. It's a little bit lighter density. Because it's completely synthetic, it doesn't tangle as much as an HD or heat defiant synthetic wig does. So it's stunning. This is right out of the box. I wore it yesterday. So I'm still fighting with the part because that's just what happens. We have to retrain it to be the way we want it to be. But I had the opportunity to go over to Jon Renau yesterday and meet the team and meet Jon, and oh my gosh, what a lovely, lovely team. So talented, stunning office. I'm telling you, ladies, it's so beautiful. I love being in this world and getting to know all of these great people who have the same passion about alternative hair and addressing women's hair loss. Who knew? When I started this journey, I had no idea in a million years that I'd be sitting here with you this morning and talking about alternative hair or wigs. My goodness, just amazing. Wigs have changed my life, as you will see. So go down in the comment section. You'll see my website. Click on there, join my email list. I've got some exciting plans for us this year, and that's how we'll stay connected too. So if you're interested in this wig, I will have a link there as well. So click on the link, it'll take you to this wig. And once you're in on the wigs.com site, you can buy any products and I'll get credit, which is so helpful for me. And I appreciate you following me and being here today. All right, I know you're probably all going, well, can we see the inside, Sparky? Of course you can. That's the next part. So let's take this off and look inside this wig. It's beautiful, just stunning. So first of all, it's a hand-tied cap. So we don't have any wefts. That's where the hair gets sewn to strips. It's just all hand tied. It's beautiful. Here is the front. So the lace extends all the way from this ear tab all the way to this ear tab. So it's great for pulling your hair back. Now what I do is I usually use a little bit of hair gel on the sides here to tack this down. I'm going to show you where those are in a minute. In the back, we have the regular adjusters and then this silicone nape. So this keeps it in place, as do the ear tabs because they're light silicone too. And they'll just go right here. So it's just stunning. She's long. I love long hair. And I think a new favorite color, and I love the Zara. So always a favorite. It was my second wig of all time. My first one being Ignite. So let's put her on. So how we're gonna do that for my new wig ladies, we're gonna put our thumbs in the back. But before we do that, look at this. Look how see-through this is. Can you see my fingers there? Look at that. Crazy, crazy. So we're gonna put our thumbs here, dive our head in here, and I want you to land this part about right here on your eyebrows. So think landing here. Don't try to land it here, land it here. So we put our head in, pull it back. It's a very stretchy cap. It's beautiful. It feels so good. Now use the ear tabs, feel on either side, make sure they're even, and then you can adjust this to make 4 fingers here. See how that goes? And then we just pull it back, and stunning. Let me turn around so you can see the back. See the back here. I'm sitting down in my backyard today. So just stunning. What a great look for summer. So nice. Now those ear tabs, let me show you here on the side. So you can see how it's see-through here. This will lift a little bit, but you can see when it's flush, it disappears. Look at the hairline. And again on this side too. Now what I like to do is tack these these down a little bit with some got to be glued or hair gel, really just a nice hair gel. We'll tack this down, but this makes it so that you can pull your hair back off your face and it'll look just seamless. So see how that works? Thank you for joining me today. I hope this is helpful. Again, subscribe and follow me and let's connect. I have so much to bring you this year, and it's just